So hi guys, this is the second video of my trading or MQL5 tutorial series where I am trying to develop a profitable expert advisor based on moving average crossover. Moving average crossover. So in the last video we have ended up here where we were able to generate a bullish crossover signal and also a bearish crossover signal, and this video will be focused on opening positions based on these signals. So let's do exactly that. In MQL5, in order to open a position, you have to firstly import a library that was designed for such purpose, and you can do so just like this. And after you after you import it, you have to create a new class, and it's done like this also. So now we can open positions. When opening position, you have to declare your opening price, and in order to do this we need ask and bid price as a values. So let's create two variables. First one is ask, and ask we want symbol info double for the current symbol, and we want the ask price, and the same thing for a bid variable, symbol info double, also the current symbol and symbol bid. Okay, so now we have this. Let's make a few if statements here. So we'll start if bullish cross. So if there's a bullish cross, we'll want to open buy, and else if there's a bearish cross, we want to open sell. So open buy, it's real simple. You just type trade, then buy and specify the volume. In this case we'll stick with 0.01 lots. Symbol, it's gonna be the current symbol, and price, so it's on ask price. Now it wants me to specify a stop loss price and take profit price. Of course we can choose static take profit and stop loss points, but we can also make it so that it's adjustable by the user later. So before this we'll type input double take profit points. Let's set it to 100, and input double stop loss points, let's set it to 500. And because we have added it as an input variable, we can change it from the MT5 platform, and that's what we want. And also we can do the same thing just right here, so we can also change the periods of moving averages from the user interface also. So we have this, and now we can go back here and specify the stop loss value. So ask minus stop loss points multiplied by point and take profit is the same thing, ask plus take profit points and multiply that by a point. Also in a comment we can say, for example, buy crossover. Now we're going to do the same thing here, just change a few parameters. For example, instead of using ask price, we have to use a bid price in all of these, and because it's sell, we have to change this here, so it's not bid price extracted by stop loss points multiplied by point, but it's plus stop loss points, and here it's minus. So this should be it. Also I will add one more condition for opening positions, and that's gonna be this: positions total equals 0. So we want to open a new position only if there's not any active or not any opened right at that moment, and this will ensure that we don't spam like multiple positions at once. So now I've saved it, and if we run it, it should work just fine. So at the moment we are aiming for, sorry, I'm just gonna default this. We are aiming for 100 points for take profit and 500 points for stop loss. So let's check it. Okay, and it runs as it should. Nice. Let's check these positions and see if it works as it should or if it does not. Okay, so let's go back here, and we can start, for example, at this point. So we are receiving a buy position here because there's a bullish crossover happening right at this point. So yeah, we are opening a buy position, and we are losing this one. And if we check the distance, it should be around 500 points, and it's approximately 500 points. So this works as it should, and after that we are opening a sell position because there's a bullish crossover happening right here, and we are winning this one with 100 points in profit. And yeah, so we are having another buy position here, another sell. Okay, this is also buy position, and you can see here that we are receiving a crossover here and also selling crossover here, but we are not opening a position at this point because we are still holding the buy position from this point. So that's why I've added this positions total condition to this script. Okay, and it works nicely. Here we are having another buy position. Now there should be sell position, which is happening right here, and yes. Okay, so this is it for opening buy and sell positions. Since we declared these variables as inputs, we can change their values right here. So for example, if I want to use 20 period fast moving average and 100 for the slow moving average, and for example, let's say we want to set take profit to 500 points and stop loss to 200 points, we can do it like this. And when we check this the backtest, we can see that it works also as it should. So here you can see that we are using indeed 20 period moving average with 100 period moving average. We are getting the correct positions at the correct crossovers. So we are opening sell here, losing to 200 points approximately, and here we are getting this buy position, and we are winning this position with 500 points. And that's exactly what we have declared here in the inputs menu. Okay, so this is all for this video. In the next video I will focus more on adding a functionality to this code, so it's more adjustable and there are more trading strategies that can be used. Okay, so until the next video, take care.